How to send Snap without media upload. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send Snap without the media upload in your Snapchat. So let us begin. First, head over to your Snapchat and there you will notice that you cannot send a snap. That is, you cannot upload a picture and send it as a snap. Now, to fix that, what you can do is head over to your gallery. And under galleries, you'll simply need to copy the picture. Here you will see the copy a photo option. Tap on copy photo, go back to your Snapchat, and now simply take a snap. Now here you can simply long press on the screen and you will see and paste option. Tap on paste and there you go. You now have the picture, and now you can set it up, zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you'd like, and then simply tap on send to and send it to your friends. Now after you do that, you will notice this will go as a snap, as you can see right here. Now it's delivered, that means it's as a snap and not a photo. And that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.